Hi there! Are you looking to join a team that values not only your performance, but you as a person? Welcome to CordenPharma. We are a CDMO partner supporting biotech and pharma innovators of complex modalities in their drug development life cycle. In our company, it goes beyond the daily work. It's more about having exceptional experiences. With our state-of-the-art lab equipment and agile work environment, every day is an opportunity to learn and grow. We believe in true collaboration and effective communication to ensure top quality in everything we do. Are you a GMP expert? Absolutely. Quality is key. Innovation is in our DNA, and we strive to deliver excellent products and services exceeding our customer expectations. People are at the heart of everything we do. Unleash your creativity and make the difference. Are you ready to come on board? Take the opportunity and join us at CordenPharma.